All right, one final scene. We're going to now limit the number of shots that he can take. All right, so we are adding the bullets, the donuts or the candies, the lifesavers that we're shooting, and the what do we call it? Shooter, empty underscore shooter. All right, so I'm going to go to the programming of that. So I'll put my cursor down here in the logic panels, hit Control up arrow, and maybe make this a little bit bigger. So all we've got here is a spacebar shooting. So now we're going to add a property here, and I'm going to do num underscore shots. I can't spell shots. Maybe it's typing. And this will be a where am I? Integer. We don't need to have it displayed, although we could. We'll put it up in the so I'll click here, and this will put it up in the debug properties. So we'll start at 0. All right, so we're going to hit spacebar, and we're going to add an object. All right, now we can add a second one, and we are going to go to property, and now I can link these. So it will do two things. It will create the object, and it's going to add to the property of number shots a value of 1. Okay, so now let's just test that and see if that works. So I'll go up arrow, click up arrow, and if we go P, so num shots, there you go. So let's say to score 50 points, he gets a maximum of 5 shots. All right, and then the game will restart. At that point, I think you know enough now that you could create, a loser thing. If you get 5 shots and don't get the 50 points, then you don't win. All right, so here we now want to go to, again, and always click that and check it every, let's do control click, every 10 milliseconds. All right, and now we're going to check that one. So we're going to check that the expression is, so that this is now num underscore shots is greater than or equal to 5. Well, let's do 3 just to so. All right, so it's pretty hard to get 50 points in 3 shots, but maybe you could get on some, you could get double points. All right, so let's just to see how this works. And again, we will then go over here, and this time we are going to add again a scene. I will let you create like you lose, shots gone, whatever. You create a new scene with that graphic the way I showed you to do before. But for right now, we're just going to restart the game after he has taken 3 shots. Okay, and let's try that. So now we will go to P, 1 shot, 2 shots, 3 shots, and a game restarts. But at that point, so now you're going to have to match up how many total points should he get to go to the winner, change those figures, and then how many shots should he be allowed to take to get that many, and then create a new scene for that to declare if he runs out of shots before he gets the total points needed, he loses. Okay, and that's it.